We were super excited, getting ready for our first camping trip to try out the new roof rack and rooftop tent. We headed towards the Anza-Borrego Desert. We were in awe watching the American white pelicans at Lake Henshaw, like synchronized swimmers flying through the air. After communing with the white pelicans, CrtrGrl and I found a secluded, dispersed camping spot in a canyon in Anza-Borrego State Park. We picked a spot next to a large tree, and that provided some shade and privacy. Only a few other vehicles passed during the middle of the day, but after that, we had the place to ourselves. CrtrGrl cooking a delicious plant-based dinner before we built the camp kitchen in the back of our FJ. The meal was great. Our dog Indy loved our new sleeping bag in the rooftop tent. We had strong winds and broke our awning pole, so we scouted out a new place to camp. On the way home, we took the scenic route and swung by Lake Cuyamaca to check out camping there. Guess the weather made the decision for us. Time to go home. We're really glad we left with just a broken awning pole. Not bad for a first trial run. Stay tuned for our next outing.